The most obvious difference between the Black Hornet Nano and traditional UAVs like the Global Hawk, MQ-9 Reaper, and new Loyal Wingman is the size. Prox Dynamics AS, the Norwegian company responsible for creating the Black Hornet, made it its mission to develop, produce, and sell the world's smallest and most advanced UAV. At just over the size of a soldier's finger, the miniature unmanned helicopter seems to have delivered on that promise. Of course, that small size means low weight, something for which soldiers on the ground are thankful. Between the load of ammunition, body armor, water, and other gear, a U.S. Army soldier is often carrying upwards of 60 pounds of equipment. Sometimes, according to NPR, that figure is closer to 100. The fact that all this gear is being lugged through a war zone doesn't do much to lighten the load. With the Black Hornet, though, soldiers have a valuable tool in hand without adding pounds. The Black Hornet's size is more than just convenient. It also gives the UAV the ability to accomplish missions that just can't be done by its more traditional counterparts. While unable to carry a payload of an MQ-9A Reaper, for instance, the Black Hornet Nano is unparalleled in the role of personal aerial surveillance. Able to simply lift out of a soldier's hand, there's no need for a large staging area to launch the Black Hornet. It can also work its way through tight spaces like hallways. This gives an individual soldier the ability to almost instantaneously deploy a UAV in the exact location where it is needed. In terms of design, the Black Hornet is constructed of a rugged plastic molded shell. The aerodynamic shape of the Nano UAV withstands stormy winds. The tiny drone is fitted with 3 surveillance cameras concealed within its nose. The complete Black Hornet system includes 2 UAVs and a base station. The UAV has a length of about 100 millimeters and a rotor span of 120 millimeters. It has a weight of 16 grams, including that of the surveillance camera. The total system, including display, weighs less than 1 kilogram. In addition, Black Hornet is installed with a steerable electro-optic camera capable of producing still images as well as live videos that are displayed on a handheld device. The camera can be zoomed in for a clearer picture using the base station controls, while the autopilot system installed on board the Black Hornet enables the operator to handle the drone in 2 modes. The drone can either be operated directly or can be programmed to go through a predefined path using the GPS system installed inside. The digital data link allows the operator to control the UAV within the line of sight range of 1,000 meters. About the power unit of Black Hornet. It is powered by a very small rechargeable battery. The battery is designed to rotate both horizontal and vertical rotors installed on the drone. It can make the Black Hornet fly at a speed of 10 meters per second with a maximum endurance of 25 minutes. Moreover, the Black Hornet Nano is controlled by an operator from the ground using a joystick-like device. The technology on board the UAV enables the operator to control the drone from a maximum range of 1,000 meters. While the base station of the Black Hornet offers planning, execution, and analysis services to the operator of the system. It includes display connections and system control connections. And once we know its characteristics, of course we are curious about the price of this tiny UAV. Gizmo Crazed reports that the cost of a single unit is just $195,000. With a USAF report detailing the cost of a single Reaper at over $16 million, the Black Hornet represents substantial cost savings when used as a replacement for missions like personal reconnaissance. At the end of the video, we will see the operational history of the Black Hornet Nano. The aircraft was being used by soldiers from the UK's Brigade Reconnaissance Force at Camp Bastion in Afghanistan. Operation Herrick personnel in Afghanistan deploy the Black Hornet from the front line to fly into enemy territory to take video and still images before returning to the operator. It was withdrawn from service in 2006-2017. As of October 25, 2013, the British Army had 324 Hornet Nanos in service. Moreover, in July 2014, the United States Army Natick Soldier Center Development and Engineering Center selected the PD-100 Black Hornet after looking at commercially available small-scale UAVs as part of the Cargo Pocket Intelligence, Surveillance, and Reconnaissance Program. It concluded that further refinements were needed for a U.S. Army role, including reconfiguring the data link, giving it night vision, and improving navigational capability. The Black Hornet was tested with U.S. troops at an event in early March 2015, and Prox Dynamics delivered a PD-100 with upgraded features for Special Forces testing in June 2015. By 2015, the Black Hornet had deployed with U.S. Marine Corps Special Operations teams. Although the Army is seeking a mini drone for use by individual squads through the Soldier-Borne Sensors (SBS) program, the individually handmade Black Hornet is seen as too expensive for large-scale deployment, with a unit costing as much as $195,000. In short, the drone's small size doesn't hamper its ability to perform in battlefield conditions either. Capable, cost-effective, and convenient, the Army is looking to continue expanding the Black Hornet's use in the field. While bug-sized drones have been long a goal of surveillance technology, the Black Hornet Nano has finally achieved what so many have been aiming at for so long. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for other awesome videos.
The Skydial X2. Now, most of you have probably heard of this drone and its renowned autonomy, but now a newer model has been released. Just like the consumer Skydial 2, the X2 uses multiple 4K cameras in conjunction with an NVIDIA Tegra X2 AI chip. This allows it to 3D map everything around it in real time and predict the paths of moving objects. This allows it to plot paths and fly autonomously through very complex environments. The cameras also can combine into a 360-degree view, and this allows you to zoom 100 times into any direction. So just like self-driving cars, drone autonomy is only going to improve, and I think drone flight will be more task-oriented rather than being manually controlled at a ground station. But let me know what you think about AI integration in aerial vehicles. So, once again, thanks for watching. Please like the video if you enjoyed it, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel.